May has been amazing. Like, yeah, it smells good. Vlog like today, right now, I want you and me more surround, won't we? And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today is Friday and the time is like what, 11:30 thereabouts, and I'm going right now to the salon because I have to go and make my hair. Guys, you don't want to see what's under this scarf, can't lie. Guys, natural hair is going to embarrass you because throughout this week I was putting gel on this hair because I have like a ponytail right now, so I was putting gel, reapplying gel, and this hair refused to lay. So I'm going to take it out. Right now, and I'm going to get braids. Honestly, I'm just praying that I don't sleep in that salon because you guys know how long braids take. Okay, I just pray it's going to be anything less than 8 hours because I don't want to spend anything more than 8 hours in that salon. So yeah, that's where I'm heading to right now. This is going to be like a weekly vlog. A weekend vlog. So today is Friday. I'm just going to vlog like today, tomorrow, Saturday, and vlog Sunday as well, hopefully, if I'm doing anything. So yeah, that's what it's going to be. Just wanted to check up on you guys, let you guys know, and I'll see you. Bye. Hi guys. Hi you guys, I'm back. It's the next day and look at my hair. I got curls on my hair. I just did like normal braids. I think this is like color 30 or so, but yeah, I did like normal braids and then there are like curls behind and in between. I like the hair, Sha. I spent like what, 8 hours there as predicted, Sha. I didn't spend like more than 8 hours, so I'm happy. It's fine. I did knotless braids and yeah, I think it looks nice, guys. I'm in such a good mood right now because I got a package from someone special. I got a rose. It smells good. And I also got a little gift. I've just been like, wow, what? Since morning because I'm shocked. This is actually like the first time I'm actually proper getting surprised. Like, I didn't see this coming at all. Alright, so yeah, I just wanted to check in. Guys, I can't stop smiling. But yeah, I'm going for a wedding this afternoon. I most likely will. So I'm about to start doing my makeup and then I'll dress up and go. So I'm going with my parents actually. We're going for like 2 weddings, one traditional wedding and the other a white wedding. So yeah, about to dress up now. I've had my bath and everything. Time is 1 p.m. But yeah, bye.
And then you're on that eye. Yeah. Yeah, I just walking the car. When I see that because crazy.
Yeah. Hi guys. Hi. Time is currently 11 p.m. Guys, I just finished filming 2 looks. So I filmed one purple swirly type look and then I filmed this trend that is currently, you know, on everybody's Instagram right now. So it's like an under eye, colored under eye highlights type thing, and I think it really came out well. I didn't think it was actually going to come out this I didn't think it was actually going to come out this good. Guys, I have my friend on FaceTime right now, and she's she's literally mimicking me. I don't even know what's wrong with her. But yeah, I just finished filming. I'm about to take off my makeup right now and go to bed. Celia, say hi. Say hi. But yeah, going to bed right now. I will see you guys maybe tomorrow or next. I'm not sure. But yeah, peace, love, bye, see ya. Oh my gosh, guys, so I'm back. I just realized that I forgot to show you guys something. So yeah, this is something I'm really excited about, because I've been wanting this kind of, yeah, for a while, because I don't know. Guys, so I had a call, so I had to do that for like a couple of minutes. But yeah, it's like 12:50 right now. Honestly, I don't know why I'm still up by this time. I really stressed myself today and I'm still up. Anyway, I was going to unbox my phone with you guys, but yeah, I already opened it from here, and I don't know if I want to set it up today, can't lie, because I'm feeling really sleepy. But I just want to say I'm so happy that I finally got another phone. Oh my god, it looks so good on me. I'm so used to big phones because my X, like the one I'm currently using, is XS Pro Max, iPhone X Pro Max or XS Pro Max. But yeah, I finally have 13. Thank God. Anyway, Sha, yeah, I will set it up tomorrow. I'll set it up for you guys, but I'm too tired. I'm going to bed. I will have to clean off my makeup. Hey guys, good morning. Actually, it's not morning, it's like 2 p.m. right now. It's afternoon. But hi, hello, welcome to this is the continuation of the same vlog, guys. But yeah, today is Tuesday, the 31st of May. So today is the last day of May, and guys, May has been amazing. I can't even lie. So I wasn't stressed this month, to be honest, unlike other months, but yeah, I wasn't stressed, so I'm so super grateful for that. What else? So yes, yesterday I went to a cafe, right, to edit a couple of videos. That was all I did yesterday, and I really had like some videos I needed to edit, and I also had to back up my WhatsApp from my other phone to transfer it to my new phone, so that I can have WhatsApp on my new phone. So that was basically what I went there to do. Like, they had free Wi-Fi and it was so fast, so I had to go there. And yeah, that was all I spent my day doing yesterday. But anyway, today I am out. I'm going out right now. The time is 2:50. I'm waiting for my friend to come pick me up because we are going to a picnic. We are going to have a picnic. Guys, I've not been to Park and Zing like forever. But yeah, we're going to have a picnic there. Can't wait to get there to see how everything goes. So right now I'm just waiting for them to come get me, and I'll be going. Let me show you guys my outfit. Oh, I think I'll just show you guys my outfit later. But I'm just wearing like a black top, a black crop top, and my trouser from Miss K. I'm going to show you guys the full fit later on. Anyway, let me just pack up the rest of my stuff and then I'll be going. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Bye.
Yes, finally. Say hi. Oh God, I can't believe I'm stuck. I can't move my leg. I'm going to stay here for like 30 minutes.
Hey guys, good morning and happy new month. So today is Wednesday, 1st of June, and the time is currently, it's almost 12. It's actually almost 12, which is why I should be calling my cab already. So guys, I'm going to do a couple of things today. First of all, I'm going to hospital management board because I have to go and get a document that I need for price has increased. A document that I need for my to do like my medical practice basically. So I have to get that, and then because I'm starting on Monday, and then I have to go to a cafe because I'm going to edit. So I have to edit and I have to sort out a couple of things. I have to plan for the shoot I'm having on Saturday. So I'm having a makeup shoot with like a photographer and model and all that. So I have like I kind of have a lot to do today, so I'm trying to hurry up because I have to be back by like 4. I have to be back home by like 4. So hopefully I get everything done today because I'm tired of procrastinating and I just want to get this thing done already. It has to happen this Saturday. Okay, so yeah, I'm going. My cab is almost here. Actually calling me already. Guys, when I don't need a cab to get here, it gets here ASAP. Like it's literally on my streets. Hello? Anyway, I'll see you guys. Bye.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on.